Again, what happened, ma'am?
Nothing happened, Kana. It's a small technical issue. Okay, we can wait for others also to join. Okay. Okay, we will have the recap. Huh? Yes. What do you mean by addition? Addition means putting things together, right? From the beginning, we'll start. Okay. We all know the lessons we know are the number sense and awareness, one digit addition, subtraction, numbers up to 99, geometry, patterns, measurements. Right? These are the topics we already know. Today,
Ma'am, voice is slow.
today we are going to
Ma'am,
see a new
voice is
lesson, that is
slow.
addition and subtraction up to 99. Addition and subtraction up to 99. Okay. Before entering into this, we will have a small recap on the properties, on tables. Okay. Addition terms, subtraction terms, properties, and on tables. Okay. Yes. So, what do you mean by addition? Addition means putting things together. Addition means putting things together. Okay, we will be adding together all those things so that the answer will be increased. Yes, these are the additional terms. Join, altogether, plus, sum, add, combined, in all, both, total, increase. Am I not audible?
You're audible, Everani, ma'am.
Audible. Okay,
Continue.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes, my dears, I am audible. Okay. Yes. So kindly check your network if my voice is not audible for you. Okay. Yes. Kindly re-log in. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now we are going to see the addition properties. What are the addition properties we have already learned? Yes. The addition properties, adding zero, right? The first addition property is addition with zero. So what do you mean by zero? Zero means nothing, right? Zero means nothing. It is empty. So whenever we add any number to zero, we will be getting the same number as the answer. Yes, when we add zero to a number, we will get the same number as the answer. Okay, see here. 4 plus 0 equal to the same number 4. Okay, shall I give you 2 or 3 sums? Will you give me the answers in the chat box? Yes? Okay, now say me 2 plus 0. What will be the answer? What will be the answer for 2 plus 0? It is the same number 2, right? Why I am not getting? Ah, yes, very good. Very good, Meenakshi, Kanitra, superb. Yes. Now, see here, I am going to give you two numbers. Okay, two numbers, 12 plus 0. So here, let us arrange the numbers first. Okay, why? Because we have two digits here, and here we have only one digit, that is 0. So shall we arrange the numbers first? Yes. 1, 2. Okay, first we will put the number, name the numbers, the place value, ones and tens, and here we have only one digit, so it will come in the ones place. So we are seeing about the addition topic, right? So we are going to add it. We are going to add it. So 12 plus 0 gives you the same number, right? Same number as the answer, 12. Okay, shall we see one more time with another number? Yes, will you try? Yes, have your rough note with you and try along with me. Let me give you another sum. What shall we take? Shall we take 20, 23? 23 is a number plus 0. Shall we do this? Yes, first let's arrange the numbers in tens and ones place. Okay, from the right hand side, ones, tens. So let's put 3 here and 2 in the tens place. And for the second digit, we have only one single digit, that is 0 and a plus symbol. Okay, listen carefully, my dears. Yes. So first, we all know the first step, that we have to add the calculate the ones column. So the ones column here is 3 plus 0. Yes, we all know the property that 3 plus 0 gives you the same answer as 3. Yes. So once we have finished with the ones column, we have to move on to the tens column. Here we do not have any tens value here. So here ones, tens. Here we do not have any tens value, so we are going to put 0 again. So we all know the property, when we add 0 to any number, we will be getting the same number answer, that is 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. So our answer is 23. Our answer is 23. Understood? Yes, I hope so. I am very clear in this. Yes, superb. So now I am not going to do the answer. You are going to send me the answer. Okay? Yes. So at the last, I will be asking you to show the note. Okay? Today I will surely ask. Yes. So I will give you the numbers as 53 plus 0. Yes. Give me the answer in the chat box. I'm waiting for you. Say it to your mother or father and they will be typing it. Okay. Those who are sitting alone can write in the note and show to me at the end of the session. Yes, what will be the answer? Yes, very good. Mojashvi, Kanitra, Ojashvi, Meenakshi, Mahavidya, Shravan, Janavika, Tamilvendan, Samresh. Superb. It is 53. It is 53. Abhinav Sai, Puvri, Teja. Very good, ma. Very good. Samresh, super. Nehan, very good. It's 53. Yes, when we add 0 to any number, we will get the same number as the answer. Okay, shall I give you another number? Will you try it? Yes? Okay, now I am going to give 67 plus 0. Yes, very good, Ojashvi. Yes, next, Naresh, superb. Meenakshi, Teja, Shravan, wonderful. Mahavidya, superb. Kanitra, Samresh, Puveri, Janavika, Satvika, superb, ma, superb, superb. I'm going to give you all a very big smiley star for all my wonderful rocking kids. Okay, so 67 plus 0 gives you the answer as 67. Very good, Kavicharan, Tamavendan, very good. Okay, I'm going to give you one more sum. You have to try, okay? Yes. Now, I'm going to give you the number as 98 plus 0. Yes, wow. Within a second, I got the answer. Superb, ma. Very good. Very good. Ojeshwi, Meenakshi, Mahavidya, Teja, Darshan. Superb, superb. Kavicharan, Abhinav Sai, Nikhil, Isamudli Puveri, Avanishwar, yes, very good. It's 98. 98. Whenever we add 0, whenever we add 0 to any number, we'll get the same number as the answer. Okay. Yes, shall we move on to the next property? Yes? Superb. 8 star. It's going to smile at you people. Superb. Okay. Okay. Order property. Next, we are going to see the order property. You all know that, right? Order property we have seen already, right? What is the order property? Even when we change the order of the numbers, the answer remains the same, right? Even when we change the order of the numbers, okay, the answer remains the same, right? Okay. This example we saw on the last addition property. Yes, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Again, here we are interchanging the numbers. We are changing the number, that is, we are changing the order of the numbers. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Can you see that? Yes, here. 2 plus 1 equal to 3, and this 1 comes to the first and this 2 comes to the second. But the answer remains the same. Here also we have 3 and here also we have 3 as the answer. Okay, so whenever we add, even when we change the order of the numbers, we will get the same number as the answer. Okay, the answer remains the same. Yes, so now let me give you few sums. Okay, try it out. 4 plus 5. What will be the answer?
உள்ள போ ஆஸ்னி போ பாசுங்க போ
5 plus 4. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, I got the answer. Superb, superb. Okay, can you find out where I have interchanged the numbers? First, let me check with the 5. In the first line, the 5 is at the second. After plus, it is there. And in the second series, the first 5 is at the before place of the plus. Right? Even when we change the order of the numbers, we will get the answer unchanged. Okay, this is also 9. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 and 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay, shall we do this in by finger folding method and find it out? Yes, shall we do this? Try this one. Yes. 4 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Superb. So we got the answer as 9. Okay, let us check with 5 plus 4. Okay, 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But again, 9. So, we all know that even when we change the order of the numbers, the answers remain unchanged. Okay, yes, super. So, I am going to give you a number and you are going to try this one. Okay, yes. 20 plus, no, let me give you in one series itself. 2 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, change this one. Change the orders for these number and send me in the chat box. 2 plus 3 plus 5. Change the numbers. Answer is 10. Okay, answer is 10. Very good. Answer is 10. Superb. Okay, I will give you all a star. Change the order and say me. Change the order. Yes, 3 plus 2 plus 5. Very good. 5 plus 2 plus 3. Very good. 2 plus 3 plus 5. Superb. Okay, yes, yes. So, we can put this 3 at the first and write 3 plus 5, the next number 5 plus 2.
Excuse me, ma'am.
And we can also change it as 5 plus 2 plus 3. Yes?
Little bit louder,
Yes. So, we can arrange the numbers in whatever order we want. Okay. So, now shall we check the answers for 3 plus 5 plus 2 and 5 plus 2 plus 3? Yes, shall we check whether our answer is 10 or not? Yes? Okay. Now, first let's take the two numbers and add. Okay, 3 plus 5. 3 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So, here we got the answer as 8. With this 8, we have to add the number 2. 8 plus 2, 8 in the mind, 2 in our finger, after 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we will get the answer as 10. Super. So we got it, right? Let's check with the next series of numbers. Okay, 5 plus 2 plus 3. 5 in the mind, 2 in our finger. After 5, 6, 7. So we got the answer as 7. Along with the 7, we are going to add 3. 7 plus 3. 7 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10 again. Super. So even when we change the order, the answers remain unchanged. Okay. Yes, super. Shall we move on to the next property? Yes? Yes. Number and one more. When we add plus 1 to any number, we will be getting the after number. Yes, you know this one, right? Here, when we add plus 1 to 0, what will happen? What is the after number of 0? It is 1. So we will get the answer as 1. So, am I not audible, ma'am? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible, ma'am.
Audible.
Kindly check your network, parents. Yes, ma'am, continue, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, my dear. So when we add plus 1 to 1, what will happen? What is the next number after number of 1? It is 2, right? So we'll be getting the answer as 2. Okay, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. I think so. I can type it. Yes. So now when we add plus 1 to 2, what will happen? What is the after number of 2? It's 3, right? So our answer will be 3. Next, 3 plus 1 gives you the answer 4. Very good. Super. The after number of 3 is 4. Very good. 4 plus 1. What is the after number? What is the after number? 5. Wonderful. Super. Okay. 5 plus 1. 6. Superb. Superb. Okay. Now 11 plus, sorry, plus 1. What is the after number? 11 plus 1. Let me try. 11 plus 1 equal to 12. Wonderful. Okay. So the next number, 23 plus 1. What will be the next after number of 23? 24. Super.
24, ma'am.
24. Wonderful. Okay. Next number, 38 plus 1. What will be the answer?
39.
39. Wonderful. The after number of 38 is 39. Super. 45 plus 1. What is the after number of 45? 46. Very good. Very good. Superb. Superb. Okay. 59 plus 1. 59 plus 1. 60. Very good. Superb. The after number of 59 is 60. Wonderful. Superb. 98 plus 1. 99. Wonderful. Superb. Superb. 99. Okay, so when we add plus 1 to any number, okay, it's single digit number. Okay, here we have two digit number. Even though we have two digit number, after plus, we have only one single digit number. So when we add plus 1 to any number, we will be getting the same number as the answer. Why? Because here in the ones place, we have 0 tenths. We have 0 tenths. Okay. Sir, even if you give the co-host to me, sorry to say this, I can't do anything, sir. Kindly please have the host by yourself itself, sir. Okay. So just now we are seeing about plus one property, right? Plus one property, yes. So till 99 we have seen, right? Okay, now I'm going to give you all a big smiley. Okay, this is for you all. You people are rocking. Superb, superb, very good. Rocking kids. All my kids are rocking. Superb. Okay, shall we move on to the next slide? Yes. Ooh, now we are going to see the subtraction terms. Subtraction terms. Yes, we all know the subtraction terms already, right? Yes. Subtraction terms. What do you mean by subtraction?
Minus.
Remaining. Minus. Yes. The answer will be decreasing. The answer will be in decrease.
Take away, ma'am.
Take over. Yes. Super. Super. Very good. Yes, I'm getting many answers.
Subtraction.
Subtraction means take away. Subtraction means take away, right? Okay, yes. Now let's have a recap on the subtraction terms. Okay, unmute by being in mute. Okay, you are going to repeat after me. Okay, take away, decrease, minus, less, take, left, fewer, subtract. How many more? Difference. Take away, decrease, minus, less, take, left, fewer, subtract. How many more? Difference. Okay? Yes, so these are the terms for the subtraction. Okay, yes, so we all know the subtracting properties also. We will have a small recap on the subtraction properties. Okay, when we subtract 0 from any number, we will be getting the number itself. Okay, 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. 10 minus 0 is equal to 10 minus 0 is equal to what happened? I'm not getting any answers.
77.
Same number.
10.
Same number. Very good. 10. 10. Super. Okay. Uh, 21 minus 0 is equal to 0 is equal to 21. Super. Okay. 32 minus 0 is equal to 32. Super, super, super. You people are rocking same property from the addition and subtraction. Okay. Yes. Here in the both the things 0 comes down, okay, after the number, after the minus. Okay, in the both, here in addition also it is 8 plus, after the plus symbol the 0 comes, as well as in subtracting also the number 0 comes after the plus. Okay, so only if it is after the plus, the property remains the same. That means we will be getting the same number as the answer. Okay, if the 0 is on the top for the subtraction, it is, we have a different property. That one you will be learning in the higher classes. Okay, now you can just kindly listen very carefully. The 0 which comes after the plus gives you the same answer. Okay, only the 0 that comes after the plus symbol gives you this plus symbol or minus symbol, gives you the same answer. Okay, dears, am I clear? Yes. Okay, shall we move on to the next one? Yes, next one is, okay, minus 1. Okay, we will have this one. Okay, in addition we saw plus one more property, right? Here we have to take away 1. When we take away 1 from any number, what will happen to the number? It will move on to the before number. When we subtract a number, when we subtract 1 from any number, the answer will be the before number of it. Okay, yes, so it is when it is 0. What is the before number of 8? 7. If it is 9 minus 1, what is the before number of 9? It is 8. If it is 11 minus 1, what is the before number of 11? 10. Wonderful. If it is 23 minus 1, what is the before number of 23? 22. Very good. Super. Very good. If it is 35 minus 1,
36.
before number, not after number. Before number 34. Very good. 34. If it is before number of, let me take 73. Okay, 73 minus 1. What is the before number of
76. 76.
72. 72. Super. 72. Yes. So when we subtract minus 1 from any number, the answer will be the number that comes before it. Okay. Are you all clear with this? Okay. Now I will give you a sum. You are going to do that. Okay. I'm not going to say the answer. 98 minus 1. Before number of 98. 97. Very good, Ojashvi. Kanitra. Very good. Super. Meenakshi. Krishiv.
97, ma'am.
Very good. So, whenever we subtract minus 1, okay, minus 1. Here we have one digit number, that is only 1, and here in the tens we have 0 tens. So, when we subtract minus 1 to any number, we will be getting the before number of it. Okay, yes. So, shall we move on to the next property and see? Yes, when we subtract a number of a when we subtract a number from the number that comes just before it, we get the answer as 1. If it is, say for an example, 7 minus 6. Okay, what is 7 minus 6? What will be the answer? 7 minus 6? 1. Okay, when we subtract a number from the number that comes just before it. Okay, just what is the before number of 7? It is 6, right? So when we subtract minus 6 from 7, we will be getting 1 as the answer. If it is 8 minus 7, okay, the before number of 8 is 7. We all know that, right? So if we are minus taking away 7 from 8, we will be getting 1 as the answer. Okay, let me give you as 12. 12 minus 11. What will be the answer?
1.
1. Super. 23 minus 22. What will be the answer? The before number of 23 is 22. Yes, we get the answer as 1. Superb. Okay, let me clear this one. Okay, so let me give you the sum as 64 minus 63. The before number of 64 is 63. So, yes, 1. So we get the answer as 1. 99 minus 98.
1.
1. Of course, superb. All my kids are rocking. I'm going to give you all a very big star and a smiley.
I'm Shayan, ma'am.
Star. Very good. Very good.
I'm Shayan,
Okay,
ma'am.
and also a smiley to you all. Okay. Yes, and a lollipop. Chitterai. Yes, this is for you. Superb, ma. Superb. You people are rocking. Okay. So I thought of, yes, now it's time. You can unmute your video and show the notes which you have written. Okay? Yes.
Ma'am, I'm Kamachi, ma'am.
Kindly unmute your video and show the note which you have written. And then you can.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ojashri, very good. Kamakshi, super. Sai Krishnan, wonderful, Kana, superb. Kavicharan, still you are